This project is on journal diary of life events. The opening page will show date-wise log of events like these dates. Then mood, happy, sad, motivated. This column for moods. Then pictures associated with log. So you can see edit the pictures, edit or see the detailed page. All this will be. Then apply filters for date, for only particular moods you can see. So this is the project that we have already completed, and you will have to see the details yourself. I'll explain what is where. First let me run it for you. So here mood filter, year, apply filters buttons, the dates, the icons for mood, then edit. So if we click on edit, we can modify the text and mood also. Save it. The change appears here. These are sorted by date. Then details of pictures I have already actually uploaded. So you can add more pictures for that particular day. And maybe add some text associated with that picture. Click on upload, and you can even delete any picture. This project is of course extendable in case you want to turn it into a commercial project. Then click on details to see the page completed, the date, motivated, and all the pictures you can see. We can apply mood filters, happy. If you remove happy and apply filters, then the other moods will be shown. Apply filters, and by date, since this is the only date year present, you can apply filters by years. Add new entry, add journal text, select the mood, click on save. So this appears here. This is the project, and let me show you the structure on Solution Explorer. The project, as I already told, is already completed. Program.cs file will be our starting point. These are the NuGet packages to be added. Then the code is surprisingly very simple. Create builder, add reserve pages, add DB context. I have given comments everywhere so that you can understand it whenever you want. This video will help you locate what is where and maybe add to your information. These are the cookie options. I assume that you have some knowledge of ASP.NET Core, use authentication, authorization, map, reserve pages. Even if you don't have knowledge, then you can start copy pasting from here. Things will work. These are for migrations, and some constants defined in the same page. This is a helper to convert mood for bootstrap icons. So their names, like happy has some smile word there, then tear, then sunglasses. The code is very simple. That's the most interesting part. So let's now see page view imports, view start, access denied as usual. The index CHTML, the landing page. This is the landing page of the project. Click here for premium stuff, website, home. Let me show what I'm saying. This is what I mean. Click here for premium stuff. When you click here, It says enter phone number to get OTP, get OTP. During testing we put OTP as hard coded 1234, but in a real project you can send the actual OTP, and once you do, you log in and come back to the same place. So this is the page that I'm showing you right now. So this is the home page. Then we have the login page. On the login page you can see that we have on get method, where you redirect if the already authenticated, and on post create authorization ticket when a user logs in, and redirect on. So this is the code that you can see. It's quite simple. So last OTP and send OTP to the customer. The code for place has been left so that you can use third party applications for that. So on successful login you redirect to the members area index page. Let's come to the members area. Index.cshtml, this is the home page of the user. I have given comments everywhere so that you can understand whenever you need. On get, there is a list of all journal entries to be shown, and the filters that you are seeing at the top, journal entries and the filters. So by default it will show all moods and the current year, and this on post is when the user applies the filters by selecting the check boxes and the drop down. So filters are applied on the basis of checkboxed moods and the year selected from drop down. Then this is a helper class that clubs both the filters for year and moods. This is the home page of the user. Let's see the next page, add or edit journal entry, where the user adds or edits a journal entry. There we have journal entry bind property. On get the journal entry by ID that has to be edited. So you get the journal entry by querying for ID, and then you replace the P and P tags by new line, because text area will understand new lines but not those P's. This whole code you can see, and then here we have an updation. When the user saves a journal entry, the new lines are replaced by P tags, new lines coming from your text area. And here we have the code for add or update. So this is the part for add or update. Then you have this add or edit journal entry pictures. The user will be able to add all the pictures through drop down or through that file upload control. And so this is the list of pictures that he sees for that journal ID. Get all the pictures associated with the journal entry. ID is the ID of the journal entry. So here all the pictures are selected, and sent to the CSHTML file, and this is what comes from the file upload. Some validation is done about size and type, and then the entry is saved. The bytes are saved to database. This code returns the bytes as file. These boxes, the pictures you saw, they send their ID and IMG tags. They receive this file which is displayed there. Here you can delete a picture by ID, that trash icon. After this, we have the journal entry details, the details of a particular journal entry. So, extract journal entry by ID. So, and this entry, this entry, this project is of course extendable. No software is complete, so you will have to make some work to do more things into this. Let's look at models now. The user ID, last OTP validity, phone confirmation. You can add more fields as per your requirements. Moods are an enumeration, motivated and all. You can add more as per requirement. This is the model class for journal entry. Journal ID, date created, text, mood code, the foreign key for the associated user, and the pictures for that journal entry. Journal entry picture, it has bytes and associated descriptive text. Bytes of the picture and picture text. I have given int as picture ID. So this is the foreign key, but you can use a GUID for your projects. Then this is the DB set and on configuring method for your project context. Database is created in the database folder, and these migrations are held here. They get applied automatically whenever you apply a migration. So I'll close. Thank you.